To celebrate the 2021 New Year, I created a DIY doll calendar. The link to this printable is in the description down below. Start by cutting out all of the rectangles. For all the rectangles besides the cover, fold them in half. You're then going to want to glue the bottom side of one of the folds to the top side of another fold. Make sure you're in the right order of months, like January to February and February to March. Once completed, it should look something like this. You're then going to want to take the cover and glue it to the outside over all of the folds. Creating your 2021 doll calendar. Make sure to subscribe and get crafting.